In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Steam error missing file privileges. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna present you several methods that might help you fix this issue. For the first and simplest one, on the Steam browser itself, select Steam at the top left corner of the screen and then Settings from the drop-down menu that appears. Now, within the Downloads tab, select Clear Download Cache and click OK. I'm not going to do that in this video because this is for demonstration purposes only, but you should go ahead and clear any storage cache you have related to your Steam downloads. You can go ahead, restart Steam after this and see if the problem goes away. If you are still having issues, for the second method, select Steam Library Folders. As you can see, it's the option above, and this will list to you all the current installation drives you have, or all the folders that Steam take up on your system's storage. You can go ahead, go through every single one of them and see every location. Now, what you can do over here is click the three dots next to each individual folder and then select Repair Folder. This will run a repair system that will try to fix any detected issues within these folders inside each drive. Again, this should work, but if you are still having issues, the last method I have to present to you is open up the Task Manager by right-clicking on the taskbar and then selecting Task Manager. And over here, I recommend sorting the apps by name until you find Steam. End the Steam task completely, and once Steam is ended completely, right-click the shortcut and make sure you run Steam as an administrator and reopen Steam. After these three methods, the problem should have gone away. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Steam error missing file privileges. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.